I felt really comfortable coming into this kind of an environment because I knew enough about computers.
This is the first time I've done like automation. This is actually pretty cool for me. I mean, seeing something that can drive on its own.
They're there for our safety. Definitely helps with our productivity.
We have one robot, we call him Sam.
Sam is our robot that goes around and picks up our parts for quality. He's got little sensors on him that he senses where he's at. I don't know why we call him he.
Well, when you name something, it kind of makes us feel like it is a real person.
Arnold's Boxinator, he actually makes the box and puts the parts in the box.
The pack cell, we've had to do less box making, which is nice.
We don't want people to be getting worn out just doing the same thing over and over and over. Not only is it wear on your body, but it's also wears on this.
We have so many great people working here that if we can take a task that's as simple as walking to get something, then we can take that person who has all these amazing skills to kind of think of more creative solutions to help the process.
With our QC robot, there was kind of a big fear of, is this thing going to take my job? After it was implemented in about 2 months, it's really cool to see the light bulb come on and the person says, I completely understand why this thing is doing this. It's really cool to see that circle of, hey, this is really helpful.
It actually takes the work off of the people. I mean, it really does. It just makes everything flow better.
The robots just keep running and running. That's what we like. Let them run.
I see more of it coming in, I really do.
The more that we can do here to make our jobs easier, the more efficient we are. The cliche, but it's true, work smarter, not harder.